katanat puliputhi ke jylla urakam sangma hakasibalang jong katayo ulong bakatanat kan sapenmi ya ke jingpen bana ban Thungkam Nonghikai hakishe hajar tali ki kam hakis school bat ki college Sorkar ki badon hakeleng jong ke jylla
Habai keren beginong patay kubor urakam sangma ulong bahagi tayo banwan ka Sorkar jylla kan sasedang no ikam gijam na kabenta ban Thungkam ya syah jangot kinohikai ha Kijaka Pulia Higher but Technical Education, Hagi College, Hagakardan Higher Secondary but Primary Hagi School, but Ulaong bagi Sorkar Kelarai ban sedang Hagi Science Stream Hagi Santligi College, but Commerce Stream Hagi Laitligi College. But kini kesenjam kelayalam syakajing dan kam ban Pynkhreh kabalong palat ya arspa saupu prateli. Ula pentibru bagi Sorkar kela pendap Hagi Thungkam yang Vice Chancellor, Haga Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Bat ke Sorkar ka kuapan sedang no aki kat tu kan ki postgraduate course na dok ke 60 banwan bat on sepen state ru ke jingtung kami gino hikai
decided to start the science stream in 5 colleges and commerce stream in another 3 colleges. That means Maupulang and Mahindagans. Science stream will be open from next academic session, and Rosora, Williamnagar and Bakmar Government College, the full-fledged science commerce will be started from next academic session. So in the process, about 248 posts has been created in these 5 colleges, and we will be calling advertisement very soon. So I think in next 2, 3, 4, 5 months. In next 1 month time, we will be calling the advertisement for more than 1,000 plus vacancies in the education department.
Ha kawai pat kaliang urakam sangma ula pentip bakatanat puliputhi kala Pynkhreh ya ke blueprint ban chime ke senjam ban penbet no ikijing jing ino kai SSA. Ulong bagajing Pynkhreh ke blueprint kadang ya cakmat bat wat la kidon kijing regulanti kan don bed habadon ikamon. Menteri Uliato bahadian beladap ban Pynkhreh ke blueprint komta ansara asya ke Sorkar jylla ban yo ke jing menjur kenang baan la ban penbet no shi sendon ikijing jong kino hikai SSA.
It is, I have already said many times in the past, Honorable Chief Minister and the government all together, we are exploring all possibility. So we have been asked, Education Department has been asked to prepare a blueprint and a presentation to the government, and which will be doing on 9th or 10th of January 2024. The complete blueprint agenda and the cabinet retreat. So I think Education Department is also preparing a blueprint how to go about and what's the proposal, right? Just to connect with the desire of all the teachers of the state. So this is, of course, it's a challenge, but however, there is a way when there is a will. So government is definitely having the will, and definitely maybe to some extent we will find a way.
Hagabay bagajing penbenak Sorkar BJP ha Assam ban khang no ekajing bamdok masi hagijaka patba ha Assam nakaliang urakam sangma ubolong ru unong yalam ke NPP ulaong bakarai ke belashim na ke Sorkar Assam kalong ke bamya hap satya bar ulaong bak jylla Meghalaya ke dimensiona dengan 5-star but 7-star hotel hagijaka kaput ban plelat kela ya kipat ban Assam ban yok ban bam ke dok masi baru ulaong bak jing don kum kini ke hotel kan long kalat kinong Assam ban wan Meghalaya ban yok bam dok masi bat kani kan long ru kalat ki restaurant bakin bah kakamai kaji chongki.
Look at the global scenario. Hindu majority is only there 3 countries in the world, if I'm not wrong. India, Nepal, and there is one more country where Hindu is majority. So today in Meghalaya, Hindu are minority. In Nagaland, Hindu are minority. In Bangladesh, Hindu are minority. In Afghanistan, Hindu are minority. In the United States of America, Australia, and China, and Japan, Hindu are minority. I think anybody should have a broader mindset at a global level. So what has been said by somebody that beef is banned, so it is unfortunate, and this is very unfortunate, and that individual, I think not a good color from to be an Indian citizen. But for the tribals religion, we have a Songsari, a tribal like Garo people, many tribal community like us. We don't bury our loved ones who pass away without killing a beef. We don't celebrate our festival without killing or eating a beef. We don't have what you call ceremonial program at the family or at the community without having a beef. Not eating a beef, it also hurt the sentiment of somebody. So therefore, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has designed constitution in such a way that it will respect everybody.